Welcome everyone. Unit 2, Time Does Fly. Now, as you begin your Unit 2 and the focus is on research questions and hypothesis, please don't freak out and don't think this is something that's difficult. Just again, as I've said several times before, thoroughly read the instructions, the explanations, the study guide, the assignment requirements. But the big focus this week, Unit 2 week, is to differentiate between research questions and hypothesis. And again, another cheat note reminder, I'll try to remember to remind you each week, is googlescholar.com. Now, the big thing, and as you're reading through the study guide, but I want you to just quickly differentiate between research questions and hypothesis. All right, so your research question is something that you're trying to identify as a problem, an issue, something within the case, the article that you have identified as an issue that you will research and make later in the classroom. You'll make recommendations of improvement. So the research question, so to say, is items that you're looking for to identify and do research on. The hypothesis is similar to that, but the hypothesis is where you're going to do a comparison. Maybe, and not, but just as a simple example, apples to oranges. All right, so what is the percentage difference in an apple and an orange? A to B. You could say there is a 50% difference. They're both categorized as a fruit. Could be hypothesis A. Hypothesis B could be 90% difference in A and B because they're entirely two different types of fruit. I know that's a silly example, but it is applicable. So again, read through the study guide and then jump right into your discussion question for the week. And it is a type 1 error is a greater concern than a type 2 error. So make sure you've completed the readings, chapter 3, 5, and 7, as well as the additional hot link to the article, hypothesis testing, type 1 and type 2 errors. Of course, you'll have to finish that in order to address the discussion question. And then the big thing for the week is your scholarly activity, and that's where I'm going to post an additional video under the scholar activity, kind of expanding on some advice and helpful hints to complete that. So, signing off for Unit 2, welcome. And as always, reach out to me if I can assist you with anything, questions, comments, or concerns. See you later. Bye.